I'm going to show you how to use Subtitle Converter. We're going to start by going over to Upload Files, select Upload, and here's my SRT for microbit. I'm going to select it, select Open. There's my file, it just popped up, and I want to convert it to .vtt so that my VR site can read it. So I'm going to go over to File and select Convert. It's converted and it wants to name it. So I'm just going to put a 2 after it. Make sure it's in WVTT, Web VTT format. Select Save. It downloads right down here. I can now open it. And this is the correct, that looks what .vtt looks like. So all is well. Now I can upload it to my VR site.